Hi guys, Bubble Pop Kids here. Get ready for a super fun and magical show coming your way. So far on the show, I've done a magical mixing machine, a magical blender, microwave, and today we have the magical washing machine. There it is! Super up close. It's called the Washmatic, and it is so realistic. It's just a toy, but I think it's going to give us some amazing surprises. Looks really cool. This Washmatic is so amazing. Would you look at it? It looks so much like a real washer, and it's got tons of buttons and features. Let me show you. So just like the one you have at home, we get this little tray here. It opens up, and that is where you put the washing powder. It also has the same buttons that your real washer at home would have. It's got a power button, spin, eco wash, wash, and fill. So the washer even gets better. Look how cute this is. The door actually opens. You can put things in here. You can put your baby doll clothes, your Barbie clothes, little toys, and when you press the power button and press the spin cycle, it actually spins just like a real working washer. You can put all those things in there and woo, they are going to circle around. Boop. Let's take a quick look-see at the two accessories that came with this washing machine. We get this miniature laundry basket. How cute is it? Of course it's not going to fit real clothes, but you can put your Barbie clothes in there and your baby doll clothes and pretend you're washing them. It also comes with a box of pretend clothes washing powder. Look at this. There's two little kids running. Got all those bubbles on there. Oop, and it's good for 20 washes. I opened up the package for this machine. This box was empty, but I put some super squishy slime in there. And instead of using washing powder, we're gonna pop the slime into the little tray there and see what comes out of this. So now that we've seen all the accessories, I showed you how the machine works. What do you guys say we take a look at what we're gonna be washing? And here you go. Oh, they fit so cute in our little laundry basket. We are going to be washing 5 Disney Princess Magic Towel Cubes. We have Ariel, Rapunzel, the Ice Queen, Elsa. Ooh, that's going to be a beautiful one. And last but not least, Princess Anna. There you go. The whole princess gang together. Here are our 4 magic towels. We are going to pop these one at a time into the washer and see what we get. Let's do this. And to join in on the fun and look at the magic of this washing machine, we also have Ariel, the beautiful Rapunzel, Anna, and Elsa. These 4 princesses are perfect to join us and watch the magic because they each have their very own magic towel. So what do you guys say we get rolling? And we're gonna start with Ariel. Here we go. Here is Princess Ariel. Oh, she's with Flounder. Here's the first magic towel we're going to be putting inside of there. And the first thing we have to do is unwrap it. And this is what it looks like. First step, we have to open the door, put in our magical towel cube. Second step, we have to put in the detergent. And instead of our detergent powder, we are going to go with some magical pink slime. Pop it in. It's stuck in the box. Come on. Whoop. There we go. And I didn't use it all. There's still enough slime in there to wash the rest of the towels. So I'm just gonna close up my box. Hit the power button and spin. Look at it go! It is spinning around. Let's see what we're gonna get. Boop. What is in there? I don't see my magic cube anymore. Let's pop it open. You guys, our magical towel cube actually turned into the magic towel. Look how beautiful it is. And I also see something else hiding in there. You guys, we got a blind bag. Ooh, what is this? It's the MLP Mystery Watch Blind Bag. That is so cool. Before we open that MLP blind bag, we have to look at this towel. Can you believe it? That little teeny heart cube turned into this washcloth. Woo! Look at this. It is so cute. It looks kind of like the picture. Actually, it looks exactly like the picture on the front. So bright and colorful. Almost looks like a painting. So this is the final product. It's Ariel hugging Flounder. So cute. You can use this in the bathtub as like a little washcloth, or you can cover one of your dollies with it. Kind of looks like a baby doll blanket. Time to open our first surprise, and it is a mystery watch. This is so amazing. I've never seen a watch inside of a blind bag. It says One Touch LED watch inside. There's 6 different ones to collect. You can get Pinkie Pie, Twilight Sparkle, Rainbow Dash. Ooh, this one is so cute, but I think I want the Pinkie Pie one. Look how cute the Pinkie Pie one is. It's got little sprinkles and a cupcake. Here we go. What are we gonna get? All of them are super cute. We got Rainbow Dash. Coolest blind bag surprise ever. I love this. Look at all these cute little hearts and stars, and it's funny because it just looks like a super cute bracelet. You have no idea this is a watch. That's why they must call it a mystery watch. You can see the details. There's Rainbow Dashy on there, and I love all these little hearts. I wonder how it works. Whoa, do you guys see that? I press the front of the watch and look at that. I see the numbers shining through. It's kind of light, but if it's later at night, you can see it's super clear. It's like all of these little digitals. And I've dimmed the lights a little bit so you can really see it. Look how bright that is. This is so super cute. If you're a My Little Pony fan, you can wear this to school. We definitely have to get more of these. There's so many more to collect. This is the one we got. Love it. Look who's here. We have Rapunzel from Tangled. I love her. I love her hair. I wish I had that beautiful hair. And we have to pop in her magic towel. First step, we have to unwrap it, take off the plastic wrapper so we can get it ready for the machine. Boop, just throw that. And this is what it looks like. Let's pop open the door, put it in there, whoop, and close. Second step, we gotta pop in the soap. Here we go. I have my soap slime here, and it's a perfect princess color. It's like a pinkish purple. It's so pretty. How cool would it be if the real soap detergent was slimy and pink? You'd want to wash clothes all the time. So I'm just gonna put it in there. Close the door, turn the power on, and click the spin cycle. Whoop, and our clothes are finished. What do we have? Ooh, it looks like real clothes in there. Some kind of laundry. Look at this. Our magic towel grew. And of course, our little magical machine had to give us some surprise toys. We get a blind bag. Ooh, it's an Electro Kitties. Love these. They kind of look like Zelfs. What else? Disney Princess Fashion. Oh, I hope we get Rapunzel. Yes, and our magical machine did not disappoint. Look what it gave us. It turned our little heart cube into the magical Rapunzel towel. Towel is so super pretty. It's just as bright as the Ariel one, but completely different. The background is pink. We see the beautiful blonde hair. Ooh, look at Rapunzel's green eyes. Such a cute one. Cutest washcloth in the world, and now we can open our little presents on here. So the first surprise toy we got was this Electro Kids. There's 1 out of 48 surprises to collect, and these are amazing. I've opened them before. They have the cutest little characters. Who are we gonna get? Our collector's guide, and oh, look at this little guy. Have you ever seen anything more funny looking than this? Would you look at it? It kind of looks like a good luck troll. It's got this fiery red hair. It's got little stars on its eye, and it's so sparkly. It's filled with this silvery glitter. Woo! Some of his hair has fallen. This little dude is so cool. Look, he even has a little star in his belly button. Kind of reminds me of the 4th of July. Red, white, blue, and stars. Let's go to our collector's guide and see what this one's name is. Oh, there's so many different ones. And it seems like the categories are all music ones. We get pop, metal, rock, dance, cowboy, and hip hop. Ooh, this one looks like a cowboy. Found him right here on the top of the list. It is a sparkly one, and he goes by the name of Nash. Oh, like Nashville. He is a little country troll. Our first little surprisey was Mr. Nash with that red hair. And our second is a Princess Fashion. This is the second one I'm ever opening of these. I think I got an Ariel before. And this time, let's go for Rapunzel. This is the bigger version. This one is super tiny and squishy. Open it. Time to pop. No, look who we got. My favorite princess in the whole entire world, Cinderella. Here she is. Oh, I cannot be more excited about this. And it's not like a regular Mash'em or Fash'em. It's not those big water balloon squishy ones. She's kind of squishy a little bit. Whoop, there she goes.
Congratulations, Bubble Pop, on getting your favorite princess ever, Cinderella!
So there you go, our second spin in the washing machine. We got our little Electro Kitties, Cinderella, and this beautiful Rapunzel washcloth. Look who showed up, none other than the Ice Queen, Elsa. Oh, look at this Elsa. Doesn't look like the real princess, but it is so cute. Kind of looks a little bit like a bobblehead doll, and the dress is beautiful. Look how shimmery it is. She's got her little side braid. Adorable. So now that Elsa's here, we have to pop in the Elsa towel. Ooh, this looks more like the real princess from the movie. This one is more like a little dolly toy, but they do resemble each other. Oh, look how cute. The Elsa one is shaped like a flower. The Rapunzel and Ariel were little hearts. Let's pop it in. Boop. Get some of our pink slimy soap. Take a little bit. This is gooier every time. So cool. I love slime. Put it in there. Set the spin cycle and watch the magic. I see something blue spinning in there. Kind of reminds me of Elsa's dress. And here it is, our magical towel cube transformed into a beautiful Elsa washcloth. Oh, and look what else is popping out of there. We got a Shopkey Happy Places. And thanks to the magic of our magical washer, we get a beautiful Queen Elsa washcloth. This is so super pretty. It reminds me of winter with all those snowflakes. Here it is. Looks like a cute little rug, and we are ready to open our special delivery box. Oh, I love these happy places. I've opened so many of these lately. I almost have the whole entire collection. I cannot wait to show you. Boop, pop it open. Oh, we get a little pink tile and our goodies. Here we go. Let's check out what we got. I usually never get duplicates with these. Ooh, where is it? I think this one is empty. Wow. This is so super tiny. I almost missed it. Look at that. Look at this super tiny little thing. It actually looks like a ring. This is by far the smallest happy place I've ever seen. It is so super tiny. I think this would be perfect for like a Barbie finger. She could wear this as a little ring accessory. Just to show you how super small this is, look at this. This is the tile. This is that little ring on there. It is the littlest thing I've ever seen. It's so cute.
OMG, that thing is tiny!
Alrighty, so that was the first one. So little, it looked like a ring. Maybe we're gonna get like a jewelry box. This is definitely new. Oh, we got a little bear hat. How cute is that? And the second one is 10 times the size of the first little one. Oh, it's like a little bear hat. It's got a flower and blue ears. That could also be a Barbie accessory. I could see her wearing that. And the third and final, ooh, this is a big one. How cute. What is this thing? It is so amazing. Look, it's got a little drawer that opens up. Try it this way. It's got those bear ears. This drawer actually opens. How funny is that? And you just close it. I don't know what it's supposed to be. Normally, when I open up these happy places, I can kind of figure out what they are without looking at the collector's guide. This is a ring, this is a hat, but I do not know what this is. Maybe it's like a little blue jewelry box. Take a look. It is a little jewelry box from the Dreamy Bear collection. We also get hat and ring. So far, this machine has been awesome! What kind of little washing machine gives you princess towels and toy surprises? So finally, we have the lovely Princess Anna. Oh, these two look like little dolls. They are so super cute. Let's pop in her magic towel. Here's Anna, and this is the Anna from the movie. This is the little toy Anna, and it looks like a really pretty pink color. It's also in the shape of a flower, like the Elsa one. Let's do this. And we're just in luck. There's just enough soap putty slime left for one more towel. Let's scrape it out of the box. Ew, so squishy. Pop it in. I think that's enough. And power up. Whoop, and it's finished. This is the final spin in the machine. And it did not disappoint. Oh, look at Anna. It's pink. Look at those eyes. That Frozen Beauty came with some treats. Oh, look at this. It looks like a little emoji blind ball. Oh, you can even get a little poo. And, ooh, this was super lucky. We got 2 surprises. This is a puppy in my pocket. Get ready to see the full washcloth. Look at this. Each one of these princess towels is more beautiful than the next. They are so bright and colorful. They look like they're little paintings. And this one also has snowflakes, but they're so cute. They're pink and purple. Beautiful. Here's a first surprise. It is the emoji blind ball. I've never seen one of these before, and I'm kind of curious how to even open it. And this looks so complicated to open. There's little directions on the back. That is a first. I've never seen directions on how to open up the blind bag. So here we go. We're just gonna unwrap. Oh, there it is. I think this pops open. Oh, here it is. Squishy pie. Here's our Moji Cutie, but I don't know how cute this one is. It looks like he's barfing. His feet are coming out of his face. He is crazy and super funny. Kind of looks like a jack-o'-lantern. Look at those toes. He looks like he's got Hulk's feet. He is spitting something out. I don't know what that is, but he's so super goofy looking. Now for the second surprise, and we got a little puppy. Oh, this one is going to be so much cuter than that scary little guy. See which pup we're going to get. puppy we just collected. Oh, and I used to have a dog just like this. Its name is Molly, and it's a white Maltese. Super fuzzy. Oh, it's so cuddly. Cutest little face ever, and I love this beautiful white fur. Sweetest video ever. I loved all the princesses, all of their magic towels, and the toy surprises. So the first toy surprise we got was this amazing Rainbow Dash watch. It was a mystery watch, and when you press the front, it lights up. And that was so cool. We got this super amazing red, white, and blue Electro Kids. Look at the hair. I love the sparkles. Boop. So can't forget the adorable Cinderella. She was super squishy faced, and she was a fashion. 3 new little happy places to add to the collection: hat, jewelry box, and ring. Little barfy and squishy funny emoji, and it's got Hulk feet. Last but not least, our precious fuzzy little Maltese dog. Here's something you don't see every day: a laundry basket not filled with clothes, filled with toy surprises. Our work is done. Our magical washer is finished for the day. Our princess towels are nice and folded in the laundry basket. And I hope you enjoyed this. We are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. This is Bubble Pop Kids. You can click this big red subscribe button here and subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Bye.